Wilson, where are we?
We are at the Yankee, what is it? Oh, it's the Yankee Candle Village right here in Massachusetts. It's about 15 minutes north of the University of Massachusetts where we just were.
Here we go.
They say it's Christmas here all the time.
And here is all the candles. Very, very squeaky floors. There is so much to see. Those are exclusives to the village.
Maple.
Does that smell like that?
Oh man, that smells good. You'll smell it?
It smells like pancakes.
Yeah.
What does that smell like?
Just because it's New England maple. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some coffee beans to... Okay, nope. It smells like clean linen or something.
What does that say? Bayberry. Try that one.
Oh, that's like pine.
Oh, yeah.
Christmas.
Smells very nice.
What's the
Smells-
blueberry
it does-
smell like? Because I like
The blueberry smells like grape.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's like...
And we got lunch here. It was
They
good.
got really good wraps.
We got good wraps. They were really good and they were reasonably priced.
Yep.
It was only $7.99 for a wrap.
I got the chicken Caesar.
And
What did you get?
I got the turkey gobbler with a cranberry mayo.
That's it.
It was delicious.
Yep.
And Lily and I couldn't even finish them all. They're that fat. And
But I'm a glutton, so I finished mine.
But they came with a whole pickle, not a half a pickle, not a
Whole
spear,
pickle.
a whole pickle. Delish. So we are going to make our own fragrance at the candle bar. Create your own fragrance. So first, we need to come here and find 3 fragrances that we really like.
Yes.
And
Okay.
no, Wilson, you can't have the
I want
bourbon.
What is this? Is it good?
No.
It's got to be good if it's bourbon.
Lily is making her own.
Oh, actually, that's not good. Sorry.
And then Wilson and I are gonna try.
Coffee beans, good.
Wilson and I are gonna try. Yep, stains?
Yeah.
Okay, try cinnamon. I have a feeling you like cinnamon. Yeah, you can barely smell them.
I think they've been sniffed a lot.
What's about the cedar?
The cedar stinky. That smells good. Cinnamon spice, pumpkin spice. Oh yeah, you wanted to do some more of like a fall one, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well what about...
Okay.
So these are the ones we
That's yours?
picked.
Yep.
Awesome, awesome. Okay.
Lily, what did you pick?
I got a coffee bean, caramel, and
Cinnamon.
yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Of course, do you know how much baby's gonna want to do this?
Alright. Did you want to start with one of these?
I think we should start with the gingerbread.
Okay. That's this one right here. There we go.
What about you, Lily? Lily made a latte.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
And now we're supposed to
Yeah,
smell
so
it?
if you want to smell that and see if you like that.
Mmm. Smells good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And then which one did you want to add next?
I want the orange zest.
I don't know if I added enough caramel.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna add a little, and you can see if you like that, if you want a little bit more. Yeah, that's good.
No more, it's
Yeah, I can
overpowering
smell
it.
it now.
Yeah.
And then the coffee bean.
So then this one?
And you'll be able to like even it out however you want. This just to see if you like how they smell all together.
Gotcha.
Oh wow, that smells really nice. I like that.
Oh, that smells really
So
good.
then you get to do the rest.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. So you
Wow.
can take all these
Filling it, and you'll fill
and you can fill it up.
Do
Yeah,
you want
to
to put
the
some more
top.
gingerbread, or you think it's
Scared.
good?
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Let me smell yours.
So you just fill it up to the top, and you can kind of.
Oh, so you do fill it all the way up?
Yeah.
So we gotta fill it all the way up.
So yeah, you just,
Hear me?
if you know one's
have to fill it
overpowering
all the
more,
way up.
then you just add a little
Keep
less.
adding.
Just kind of keep smelling it and adding it.
Oh no.
You'll do great. No, sorry. Yeah, so cool.
Okay.
So you'll just do this part and then
Oh, it's perfect.
just take the power off.
Oh yeah, that's good right there.
We blended it. Lily, what do you got? So we got the ginger, the orange, and the coffee. Who knew?
Right?
Now you're going to pick the white, black, or the amber.
Oh. I will.
White?
I'll do the amber.
Okay. Well, there you go.
Does that burn your hand?
Somehow no. But I
Oh.
think if I keep holding it, it probably would be hot.
And then we
I guess I just learned my tolerance.
Yeah.
So yep. So then you'll just take that and pour it in quickly.
Okay, pour it in quickly.
It's okay if you spill.
Oh no, we won't spill.
Okay, there you go.
All right, and then you just hold the
Wick
wax-
straight
Yeah, and then you
stir.
Yep, for about a
You
minute.
want to stir it?
Alright, you said amber?
Yes. For a minute. Ooh. Oh, look, it's stuck. The wick is like stuck.
That's on the bottom. That's cool.
Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Pretty good.
Yeah, because we couldn't find another one that you, and so we just made it instead. Oh yeah, I can smell it.
Can you smell it?
Oh
It's gonna be
yeah.
great.
Wow.
It's a very winter. They use that during mass production? Probably not.
Probably not.
She's like, I don't know where that factory is.
Alright, so then if I wipe this, it's kind of the smell of your candle.
Awesome.
And then yours.
Oh wow.
They should sell that.
Oh wow. That smells like Christmas. Y'all ready?
Uh-huh. Cherry strawberry.
How cool is this?
We have to get Katie a ornament. It's so dark. Look at that. That is
Oh, that's
adorable.
That's awesome. Oh look, it's
Oh yeah. They have Dairy Queen. Look, they have the whole Peanuts pumpkin patch.
Great pumpkin.
All peanuts. And then here's Disney.
Mm-hmm.